Good morning, students. Today we are starting our new unit 11th, perimeter and area. Before starting, let us first find what is difference between perimeter and area. Now you see, perimeter is, you have done in 6th also, total boundary around a figure. Total boundary around a figure, and that figure may be square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Is it clear? Now total boundary means, suppose I take triangle, this is square, this is rectangle and circle. Okay, now it may be pentagon, hexagon, anything. The total boundary, this to this to this, these boundaries total, when we add these, when we will find sum. So this, in case of circle, the perimeter is called circumference. Is it clear? So when we add the sides, we get a perimeter. What is area? Now area is when we have to find the region enclosed in the boundary. What does it imply? That we have region enclosed in the boundary, like the figures I have drawn, and this shaded part, this region inside the boundaries, these region, this these parts, shaded parts, are area. Is it clear? And this outer, in all, this is called perimeter, and the region enclosed, the part I have shaded, is area. So if we want the, you in whole of the unit you will find, like if I have to put a fence around triangle, square, we have to lace something. So when total boundary is to be found, that is perimeter. When suppose the question is I have to paint something, or like I have to grow grass in a garden, in that cases we will find area. Now it is clear. Now let's come to different formulas. Now perimeter of square, you know, all sides are equal, s plus s plus s plus s means 4 multiplied by side. Now perimeter of rectangle, we know there are 2 length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So 2 if we take common, so length plus breadth. These things we have done in our previous classes also. Perimeter of triangle, but in case all sides, we will find the sum of all sides. But if it is equilateral triangle, then we can say all sides will be equal, 3 into side. Is it clear? In the new perimeter, that is perimeter or circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. 2r means radius, diameter, so we can also write it as pi d, or d is equal to 2r, so 2 pi r. Now coming to area. Area of square, done earlier also, side into side. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Okay, now area of triangle, that is we are doing for first time, half base into height. Suppose this is also a triangle, and what is height? When we draw perpendicular to this, this is height, half base into height. Same way, area of, if we have to find of parallelogram, that is base into height. Is it clear? So when we will do the sums, then also we will discuss all these things side by side. Now let's start our exercise 11.1. Now see, question number first, 11.1. Length of land is this 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. In part first we have to just find the area. So length into breadth, 500 into 300, 5 3s are 15, 2 plus 2 4, 0 meter square. Now cost of, second part is we have to find the cost of one of this land, where the cost of 1 meter square is given, that is 10,000. So what, for the area, your area, the cost will be 10,000 multiplied by, put the zeros, so 1,50,000. So on multiplying you will get 1, 15 ones are 15, 1 2 3 4 and 4 here, 8 zeros. Now question number second, perimeter is given and we have to find the area. For area of square we want side, because 4 into side is the side into side is the area. Now 4 into side is perimeter. So first, before calculating area, because we do not have side, we will first find the side. 320, in place of perimeter I have put the formula. Now keep the side here and transpose this 4, we will get 80. 4 8s are 32, 80 meter. So side of square is 80 meter. Now we can easily find area of square is side into side, that is 80 into 80, 8 8s are 64 and 20 meter square. In question third, area is given 440 meter square. We have to find breadth. So write in place of area as we did in previous sum. In perimeter we wrote the formula. Now area of rectangle length into breadth, 440. From here we will find length is 22 and breadth we have to calculate. Write B only, 440. Transpose this 22, it is in multiplication, so when we will shift it will come in division. 22 20, so breadth is 20 meter. Now they want us to find perimeter. What is perimeter of, there are 2 length and 2 breadth. Revise like this, 2 into length plus breadth. This is perimeter of rectangle, 2 into 22 and breadth we have calculated 20. So first add then multiply. This is 42, 84 meter. Is it clear? Area is in meter square, perimeter is meter or centimeter. So this will be your, these two are your answers. In question number 4, perimeter of rectangular sheet is given 100 centimeter. Now length is also given, find breadth. So what is the formula of perimeter? 2 length, 2 into length plus breadth equal to 100. Now in place of length as it is given 35 plus breadth. So, transpose this 2 to this side, 35 plus b equals to 100 by 2, that is 50. Now transpose 35, so it is in plus, so when we will transpose it will become minus. So 15 centimeter will be breadth. Now we also have to find area. Area of rectangular sheet is length into breadth. Length already they have given and breadth we have just found out 15. Now 35 into 15 will be 525 centimeter square. So first 4 questions you will do of 11.1. Thank you.